The homeowner lived a quiet, hard-working life in a suburban neighborhood. His prized possession wasn't just the house he cherished, but his roaring Harley, a symbol of freedom and identity. Mornings were usually calm, filled with the sound of the engine, the smell of fresh coffee, and waves from neighbors who shared a polite relationship, though not always close. The area was well kept and orderly, governed by a homeowners association that claimed to uphold the community's standards. But beneath the surface, power dynamics simmered, led by Karen, the authoritative HOA president with a reputation for controlling behavior and strict enforcement. Life shifted as initially small complaints arrived. Letters warning about noise levels, parking, even his motorcycle's presence. At first, they seemed like trivial infractions, perhaps misunderstandings. But as warnings turned into citations and meetings, it became clear the HOA's minor grievances were directed personally, stoked by Karen's son, who saw the homeowner's Harley as a symbol of defiance to be crushed. The neighborhood's warm atmosphere began cooling, neighbors whispering, glances turning wary, neighbors siding with HOA aggressors or staying silent out of fear. What started as harassment over noise and rules soon escalated, the HOA manipulating regulations and leveraging neighbors' complaints to isolate the homeowner. His rights felt squeezed until the tension erupted. Unbeknownst to the HOA or Karen's son, the homeowner prepared quietly, aligning himself with legal authorities ready to challenge the harassment and protect his freedom. The stage was set for a confrontation that would shake the foundation of this seemingly peaceful community and lead to a battle for respect, justice, and property rights. Neighbors grew increasingly hostile or fearful, the cozy community beginning to fracture. The homeowner's every move felt watched and judged, confrontations escalating in tone and frequency. Shadows lengthened as trust eroded, and the battle for control of the neighborhood's narrative turned personal and bitter. Karen's son became the frontline antagonist, swift to threaten, quick to escalate conflicts. His actions, legal or otherwise, pushed the homeowner to the edge. Yet the homeowner's determination never wavered. Each hostile encounter fed his resolve to fight back with every tool at his disposal. When the HOA's complaints finally summoned law enforcement to his door, the homeowner remained calm but vigilant, knowing this was merely the beginning. The night air was thick with tension as officers approached, unaware that the homeowner was armed with the state attorney's backing. The slow-burning fuse ignited toward a dramatic climax. In court, the illusion of HOA authority shattered. The homeowner faced Karen and the board with quiet confidence, laying bare the pattern of abuse, harassment, and rule manipulation. Evidence and witness testimony dismantled years of unchecked power, marking a turning point where justice seemed within grasp. Under the harsh glare of cameras and public scrutiny, the HOA president's facade cracked. Legal experts and neighbors revealed the injustices suffered, while the homeowner's courage inspired a tide of support. The power imbalance flipped, exposing the HOA's wrongdoings to the community and the world. With the courtroom victory behind him, the homeowner took a new role, one of leadership and reform. Community meetings filled with hopeful residents eager to rebuild trust and ensure fair governance. The HOA board saw changes, replaced or reformed, as transparency and respect became the new standard. Morning light bathed the neighborhood in warmth, a symbol of renewal. The homeowner rode his Harley through streets now repaired and welcoming. Faces once wary now smiled, neighbors waved, and peace reigned where conflict had thrived. The battle had been long, but the community's soul was reclaimed, promising a future defined not by fear or control, but by unity and respect.